Hi, my name is Nova Hart. I'm here with Certified Hurricane, Alani Burnett, and Plumber Dan. We are performing Plumber Dan's CPR test. Dan, as soon as you see me throw out my macros, Certified pulls out her weapon and shoots Alani. You may begin throwing up your macros needed for CPR and begin performing the CPR.
Good job.
Great job, Plumber. So just give me a few minutes to get this uploaded, and then once it's been reviewed and the higher ranks have enough time to rank you up, then that should be done within 24 hours.
Awesome. Awesome.
All
Great
right, good
job.
day.